Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to find trending songs on TikTok. First of all, launch your TikTok application and tap on the search icon to the right hand corner. Search here viral songs on TikTok, and after searching using this keyword you have to select here sounds tab. Once results are loaded, tap on the sounds tab. You will see a list of trending sounds on TikTok and the number of times they have been used in TikTok videos. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.